Today I'm going to teach you how you can change your icons or customize it. First, go to Chrome and type icon convert. And once you're here, just click choose file. And once you're done, click upload and then go to the bottom of the site and then click convert icon. Or if you have a PNG picture, just click PNG to icon, and the method is just the same. Just upload it and convert it. Or if you want some pre-made icons, just go to icon archive. Once you're here, just click the icons you want. Here, click it, example here, and just click icon and it will automatically download. And once you have the icons, just right click it, the icons you want, and click properties and go to customize and click change icon. Browse the file you have, for example this, open it, okay, apply it, and you can see the icons is changed. Or you can go, if you wanted to change your taskbar icons, you can just right click again and click properties and go to shortcut and click the change icon, and here you can browse the file you want. It's just easy as that, and you're done.